In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a classroom syllabus in Notion. This walkthrough will guide you through building a clean, organized, and easy-to-understand syllabus that students can access anytime. Using Notion for your syllabus is a great way to keep all course information in one place, while also making updates quick and stress-free throughout the term. To begin, log into your Notion account and head to your homepage. From there, click on the Marketplace option to explore available templates. In the search bar, type Classroom Syllabus, Course Syllabus, or Education. You will see a range of templates designed specifically for teachers and instructors. Some layouts are simple and minimal, while others include detailed sections for schedules, grading policies, assignments, and classroom expectations. Take your time browsing and choose a template that matches how you normally structure your class. Once you find a template that looks like a good fit, click on its preview to take a closer look. This preview helps you understand how the syllabus is laid out and what sections are already included. Pay attention to areas like course overview, learning objectives, weekly topics, assessment breakdowns, and important policies. Making sure these sections are present will help your students clearly understand what is expected of them. When you are happy with the template, click Add and save it directly to your workspace. After adding the template, open it in Notion so you can start customizing the content. Begin by updating the course title, class description, and instructor information to reflect your subject. You can then modify the weekly schedule, assignment descriptions, and grading criteria so everything aligns with your course plan. If needed, you can add tables for timelines, embed links to online resources, or upload documents students may need during the semester. One of the biggest advantages of using Notion for a classroom syllabus is flexibility. If something changes, such as deadlines or lesson plans, you can update the syllabus instantly without recreating or resharing files. You can also share the page link with students, ensuring they always have access to the most up-to-date information. And that is it. You have successfully created a classroom syllabus in Notion using a template, making it easier to organize your course and keep students informed throughout the term. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.